Canva just dropped some seriously powerful new AI tools, and honestly, these features take design to a whole new level. From 3D objects to instant style match, and even an AI assistant called Ask Canva. In this video, I'll show you everything that's new and how to use each one. Let's get started.
All right, so I'm in Canva. I'll go to social media and click on YouTube thumbnail, just so I'll have a bigger area to work on. Next, I'm gonna come over here and I'm going to go to Magic Media. If you don't see it over here, you might need to go to apps and then search for it here. There it is right there. So either way works. Once you open it up, you're gonna see this. If you've ever used this before, you've seen the images and graphics and videos, but this new 3D app, we're gonna demonstrate that today. So I want you to click on this and then describe what you wanna create. For this example, I'm gonna pretend that I have a dog grooming business, so I wanna create some things for my business. So I'll click on this. Now let's go back to Magic Media and go here. I want a dog brush with lots of bristles. So you can see this is still in beta and experimental. So let's see what we get. So I'll click right here and now it's gonna make it. Okay, so now it has created my dog brush with lots of bristles, so very cool. So if we wanted to, we could put some more information here and generate it again. But for now, I'm just gonna take it as is and download it. There we go. Now, this is the cool thing. Do you see this button right here? If you'll click this, you can rotate the image in so many different ways, however you like it. Once you find the position that you want, just click here to keep that position. If you'll click right up here on Rotate 3D, you'll see these different ways here too that you can add to your design. If you wanted to, you could use this in some kind of product or marketing campaign for your dog grooming business. For example, we could grab this and take it over here and drop the brush there. Then when you click off of it, now you'll no longer see the ability to rotate it. But that's something very cool that you can try using Canva's AI.
Okay, so now we'll try something different. So I'll go over to Elements, click on that. I've opened a new page and I want to show you a few things in here that are new. One is this large button up here that Canva has added. So now you've got the AI that you can talk when you search for elements. You can also click here to use your voice and speak to it instead of having to type it, and that's super nice. You can also generate images, code, or video from here, so that is really interesting. If you look up here, you can see things are grouped a little bit differently than before, so if you're looking for something, you may have to dig a little bit until you get used to it. I want to show you that if you come to this button here, this is where you search for things. Let's try it. So we'll click right here, and we'll see if there's anything I want to use. It'll pull up options and show you various things, but I don't see anything that exactly matches what I need. So in that case, since I didn't find exactly what I wanted, now I can make a new image just by clicking here. So let's try it. So I'll click here to generate, and now it's going to make something for me right here inside the Elements tab. So this is new and it is embedded here. The thing I do want you to notice is that these are all squares, and you don't have the option to change your size or change your style right now. I assume in the future there will be an option to do that, but right now everything you get is square. So let's click on these and see which one we like the best. These are all really cute, but I think I'm gonna go with this one. So let's add a page and just keep them. I'll grab this one and copy it and put it on this page. So it doesn't fill the whole page, but we can fix that. Let me show you how. You could take it and go to Edit here inside Magic Studio. Come all the way over here to Magic Expand, choose Whole Page, and then click Expand. Then it'll give you some choices. They're all similar but a little different, so pick the one you like best. If you don't like any of them, you can always generate new results too. So there we go. Let's try something different. So we're still in the dog grooming niche, so I'm gonna add a new page. Let's go back over here, and this time instead of an image, how about we generate a video? I'll describe what I want. So how about a woman walking her dog on a leash in the park? And let's see what we get. Now, it's found some things, but I don't like any, so I want it to generate a video for me. I'll click there, and now it's making a new video for me. Okay, that took maybe 45 seconds or so. Let's watch it.
Now we can see the dog and the lady are walking in the park. So yeah, so that worked out really well. I'll add it there. And if you wanted to, you could also get rid of that and even generate code, maybe for an app, but I won't do that for now, all here inside the Elements tab. Now, Canva has made it much simpler to do so many things right here inside the Elements tab. Okay, so let's go on to the next thing. So I'll open another page and we'll go back to design. I'll get rid of that. And then this time up here, we're gonna do something different. We're going to use this, okay? So I'm going to click right here. I need a post promoting my new dog grooming service for social media. And then we'll click here to end it. I'll delete the extra, and then I'll click right here. So you see that this chatting feature works well. And now it's showing me some of the things already inside Canva. I'll pretend that I don't see anything I like, so let's generate a design by clicking here. First, it will think. And now it's made this one. Let's check this design out. I don't know what these little splotchy things, I could always rerun it, but for now, I'll just go with it. Notice each of these items are completely editable, so you can change everything just like you made it. And if you want to make a change, just click on that, and then we edit the whole thing. You can resize or move things around. This is all up to you. Remember, this is something we made completely new just a second ago. But for now, I just wanted to show you this new feature within the Design tab.
So let's add another page and do something different. This time, I'll come back over here to Design and look through here and try to find something I like. For now, let's choose this one. All right, so now I've got this, and what I'm gonna do is click here on the design background. So I'm clicking on the background, not on any of these elements, all right? Once I do that, look up here at the top. Notice Magic Background is now open. This is a premium feature, but you won't see it unless you click on the background. Once you do that, click here, and now it's gonna make a new background for this image. The original was kind of plain. Let's see what it makes for us. It just made these 4 suggestions. It also described the background for me, so let's see what we've got here. So they're a little different. I think I like this one the best, but if you don't like any of them, you can change the prompt here and you can generate again. Or you could click Surprise Me. What I would suggest you do first is make a copy of your original before you use this because you kind of lose your original if you don't. Just a suggestion. This could be helpful in a lot of ways.
Okay, so now I'll open a new page. So let's come back over here to Elements and add an image here. First of all, let's get rid of that background color. So we are in Elements. Let's go back to Graphics and look for Halloween and see what we can find. So I'll add the pumpkin and some other different style clip art. They don't really match up style-wise, but I'd like to change these to make them all look similar. So now I've got all these and I'm going to duplicate them. That way we can compare later. I'm going to keep the pumpkin as is. These others are cute, but they just don't match the pumpkin style. So what I'm going to do is click on this one and then notice this has lit up. So I'll take this paintbrush and click on here. Then we go to Copy Art Style. Now it's doing its work. So while that one's going, let's try a few more. Maybe don't want to do more than one at a time. So go up here, click that, go to Copy Art Style, then click here. Let's see what's going on. So these were the originals. Notice this one. This was just a plain old black image, but now look at it. Canva added color to it. So now you can see the change it's made. Now it's got the outline on it, and same thing for these candy corns, and look at this one. It looked like almost like a watercolor before, and now it's got more of an illustration look to it. So that is what we've done, just using this one paintbrush that's now been powered with AI to be even more powerful. So this is the Match Style tool. Remember, you can copy the basic style or you can copy the art style. So have fun playing with this redesigning to match tool. All right, so we're still working on the puppy stuff. So let me come over here and add a new page and try something else. I'll click off that for now. So we're still in Elements, so go up here at the top. You can type in here what you want to search for. Let's try a bunny rabbit.
Canva couldn't find any bunny rabbits and shapes, so let's make one. So click on Generate Shapes, and now it'll make us some bunny rabbits. Now we've got 4 different ones, and these are all original. Remember, we couldn't find one before. You can also experiment with custom shapes now by changing the color, using gradients, etc. Maybe you're doing something Easter related with your dog grooming business. Now you've got some bunny shapes that you can use in your marketing materials. So that's how you do that. You could put a stroke around it, change the color of the stroke, the width, resize them, and more. And now you've got these brand new original shapes that no one else has that you can use in all your marketing materials. Very cool. So let's go on to the next one. I'll open a new page and go to the design area, and I put in pet grooming. I think I'll choose this for now. What I'm going to do next is this. Okay, so I've got this image, and I'm not quite sure about it, so I'm gonna let Canva help me. But how, you might ask? So what I'll do is come here and click anywhere on this. And now you'll see this new Ask Canva button. So let's let Canva help us with this and figure out what we could do better. So click on that and type in a prompt here. Check these out. I'll choose Suggest Improvements, and then click here, and now it's opened up this. So I've asked it, what can we do to make this better? Now it's giving me a reply. Check this out. I'll let you read it for yourselves. Let's pretend we don't know how to do that, and it'll answer again. Look, it's going to guide us through it. Now you can read the response and follow its directions. So that's very helpful, and if you're not quite sure what else to do, now you can ask Canva. I wanted to show you this feature. It is brand new. So if you have something you've made and you're not quite sure about it, just click anywhere on it and look for this Ask Canva button. Then click on it and you can ask it for suggestions, to create an image for you, to help you rewrite text, etc.
And if you love finding out about crazy cool AI tricks before everyone else, subscribe now so you're the first to know when new AI tools drop. Until next time, keep creating, keep innovating, and keep making it with AI. Thanks for watching.